Well, it's time now to take stock of the market technicals. Ashwini Gujral and Sandeep Wagle join us on the show now. Sandeep, let me start with you. How would you approach the Nifty? We are seeing a bit of a bounce back after a two-day fall, but it's paling in comparison to the rest of the Asian markets. Do you expect this pullback to continue?
Afternoon, Rima. I expect the Nifty to move in a 100-point range, 10,800 on the downside, 10,900, 920, 930 on the upside, and more of stock-specific moves. So I am neither bullish nor bearish. I would be extremely stock-specific.
Okay, all right. You've got some picks for us?
Yeah, Nigel. I would go with a buy in a Bata that has given a clear breakout. I expect the move to continue. Buy it with a stop loss of 1227. My target for the day or for the next couple of days would be 1272. Colgate-Palmolive is looking weak. I would sell that with a stop loss of 1266 for a target of 1233. Again, this is a call for today and tomorrow.
Let's get in Ashwini Gujral as well into the conversation. Ashwini, in the morning you had suggested that perhaps the bias is on the upside. Do you maintain that bullishness?
See, for the day today, bears have tried to take yesterday's low out, but they have substantially failed. In fact, they have not been able to break even 10,850. So that way, the market is retesting lows, and given the global environment and again 120 points higher on the Dow futures, my sense is that this could lead to some amount of short covering, given strong stocks like HDFC Bank, Kotak, Axis, etc., HDFC, Reliance, all these guys are higher. So my sense is that keep yesterday's low as a stop, and if you buy here, there's a good chance that the market recovers on the back of short covering in the afternoon. Having said that, I think individual stocks are on the long side, and Balrampur Chini is a buy with a stop of one sec. HDFC Bank is a buy with a stop of 1910, target of 1955. Balrampur Chini is a buy with a stop of 110, target of 122. And finally, Godrej Property is a buy with a stop of 730, target of 755.
Okay, all right. Disclosures, Ashwini?
We have long positions on Nifty and Bank Nifty, which we would probably close by end of the day. It's not really a market where you should carry a lot of things.
All right, Sandeep, your disclosures?
Well, I don't hold any personal positions myself, but our clients may be holding based on the view we would have given them.
Okay, all right. Thanks so much, gentlemen, for stopping by and giving us all those details. Well, if you're looking at the markets and just doing a quick stock check, then Mahanagar Gas, the stock had got badly beaten down, in fact, in the last few days. Now it's bounced back. Remember, the probability of having lower gas supplies was unlikely to come about, particularly we're in an election year, and that's what a couple of brokerages as well had written. And we did see the stock correct, both IGL as well as MGL, and we have MGL currently, at least that stock is bouncing back. Let's see whether IGL as well, what that stock is doing as we speak. That should come up for you on the screen. Let's pull up IGL if there is a reaction on that one as well. That as well, in fact, has bounced back from around 260 rupees was yesterday's low. So a bit of a bounce. The street clearly telling you that they don't believe that the gas supply to some of these city gas distribution units will be cut off. So on the back of that, stocks moving higher.